What if I told you the most powerful AI image model didn't arrive with leaks or hype, but simply appeared, unannounced, like a ghost? They call it Nano Bananas, and it'll already rewriting the rules of AI creativity. No leaks, no teasers, just raw innovation unleashed. Some whisper it's Google's hidden weapon, others claim it belongs inside Gemini. What everyone agrees, the results are shockingly, unbelievably powerful. And the wildest part, you don't need invites or premium access. Nano Banana, a cutting-edge model available for anyone to try, for it doesn't stop at pretty pictures. This model edits like a pro, restores like a magician, and here's the kicker, maintains flawless character consistency across every angle. With little or no variation, Nano Banana nails consistency. That power alone sets it apart from every editing model we've ever seen. And here's the exciting part. This isn't just theory. You'll witness it in action. Stunning edits, perfect angles, seamless transformations. Before we continue, please support the channel by liking this video so the algorithm pushes it to more people. Access every prompt to our Telegram link. Head over to google.com and search for LM Arena AI. Here's the user interface of LM Arena AI. By default, it opens on battle mode, and that's exactly where we want to be. Example 1, custom head swap. Our first example will be a custom head swap. We're going to swap the head of 2 people. For this demo, I'll use my AI avatar and Lionel Messi, the football legend. Before you click the upload button, first click on generate image once, then go ahead and click plus upload. Now, here's my character. Hold the control button, select Lionel Messi and click open. I already have the prompt ready, link is in the description below. Copy the prompt, head back to LM Arena and paste it here. Prompt: swap the head of the man wearing the navy polo shirt with the Unzip, AI and Grow logo onto the body of the football player in the black and blue Argentina jersey. Now click generate. Remember, Nano Banana gives us 2 variations to choose from. Wow, this looks great, look at it. Here's my avatar's face swapped onto Lionel Messi's body. It maintains my avatar's facial consistency while Messi's tattoos are still visible. Pretty amazing. But notice, in the other variation, it did something else. It placed Messi in a studio instead of following the prompt. That's not what I asked for. So in this case, the right variation works better. Important: before moving on to another prompt, you must select either left is better or right is better. If you don't, you won't be able to continue. Now let's try the reverse. I want to swap Lionel Messi's head onto my AI avatar's body in the studio. Upload the same 2 characters again. Hold control, click open. Back to our Google Doc, copy the reverse prompt, then paste it here. Prompt: swap the head of the football player in the black and blue Argentina jersey onto the body of the man wearing the navy polo shirt with the Unzip, AI and Grow logo, seated at a desk with a banana in front of him. Now click generate. This is crazy. AI image generation is going wild. Again, we get 2 variations. Variation A looks perfect. Messi's head swapped seamlessly onto my avatar's body at the desk. Variation B is okay but shows some slight facial variation, and the logo text came out a little off. For this one, I'll choose left is better. Example 2, outfit and colour change. Next, let's change the outfit and colour of a character. For this, I'll use my AI avatar again. Upload the avatar, then paste this prompt. Prompt: take the man in the navy polo shirt with the Unzip, AI and Grow logo seated at the desk. Keep his face, beard and pose exactly the same. Remove the banana from the desk completely, leaving a clean surface. Change the polo shirt colour to bright red while keeping the logo text sharp and accurate. Preserve fabric folds, shadows, lighting and texture for a natural, photorealistic look. Maintain aspect ratio 16:9. Now generate the image. Here's the result. In the first variation, the shirt is red, the Nano Banana is gone, which is good, but the logo wasn't preserved correctly. Still, facial consistency is intact. In variation B, everything works perfectly. The shirt is red, the banana is gone, and the logo Unzip, AI and Grow is accurate. For this one, I'll choose right is better. Full outfit change. Finally, let's try changing the entire outfit of our avatar. Once again, upload the character, click open, copy the new prompt and paste it here. Prompt: keep his face, beard and pose exactly the same. Remove the banana from the desk completely, leaving a clean surface. Change the polo shirt colour to bright red while keeping the logo text sharp and accurate. Preserve fabric folds, shadows, lighting and texture for a natural photorealistic look. Maintain aspect ratio 16:9. And here it is, guys. Here's the first variation. Wow. As you can see, it changed the outfit. and the Unzip AI and Grow logo came out nicely. It also removed the Nano Banana from the desk, maintained facial consistency, and gave us a dark purple background. Here's the other one, variation B. This one also maintained facial consistency, removed the banana from the table, and the hoodie came out looking nice, but the logo isn't there. So for this example, I'll choose variation A, photo restoration. Now let's move into photo restoration. Upload a damaged photo. I already have a prompt ready for this. Just copy it, head back to Arena and paste it with Ctrl+V. Prompt. Restore this old damaged photo. Remove scratches, repair torn edges, enhance missing details and bring clarity. Naturally colorize skin tones, clothing and background without oversaturation. Maintain authenticity and avoid plastic look. Preserve original emotions and facial expressions while improving sharpness and contrast. And here is the result. Looking at the original picture, everything is torn and damaged. Nano Banana completely restored the photo, this time in black and white. Here's variation A, which looks fantastic. And here's variation B. Now let's make one more example of this restoration. Using the same prompt, just hit generate, and boom, here it is. First, look at the original photo, then look at variation A. Notice the little girl, you can clearly see both of them now. For variation B, this one isn't great. The face has swollen eyes, but it still maintained most of the details. Overall, the left one is definitely the better choice. Example, character scene. Now let's do one last example to wrap up this tutorial. This time, we'll put Lionel Messi and my avatar into the same scene. Upload both images, copy the prompt and paste it in. Here's the result. Not bad at all. It maintained the outfit, preserved the Unzip AI and Grow logo, and completely kept Messi's facial consistency. Now for the second variation. To be sincere, this one is off. It maintained Messi's face but did not keep the jersey consistent. And my avatar's features didn't hold up, so again, the left one is better. And here's the final prompt. Copy it from the doc accessible through our Telegram channel, paste it and generate. This is really good, it came out great, the jersey is perfect, the smile looks natural, and everything is sharp. On a dark studio background, as prompted, this looks fantastic. In fact, both variations are good enough that I'd call this one a tie.
Give it a try, share your results, and if this breakdown amazed you, smash like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned. This is only the beginning of free AI editing.